rain, it's falling hard tonight. Whiskey rain burns like fire, cuts me deep inside. Every drop is thunder, every sip is pain. I drown my sorrows in the whiskey rain. The city sleeps, but I can't close my eyes. Every broken truth dressed up in lies. I carry wounds no one else can see, so I pour my soul into this glass of whiskey. Empty bottles lining up the floor. Every silence hurts a little more. Your shadow lingers, calling out my name, but it fades into the storm of the whiskey rain. Whiskey rain, it's falling hard tonight. Whiskey rain burns like fire, cuts me deep inside. Every drop is thunder, every sip is pain. I drown my sorrows in the whiskey rain. Love was a shelter, but it washed away. Dreams turned to ashes in the cold decay. I scream to the heavens, but there's no reply. Just the echo of my sins in the midnight sky. Every promise broken, every prayer in vain, carved into my soul by the whiskey rain. I chase the silence, but it slips through my hands, like smoke disappearing, like time through the sand. The past is a prison, the bars on my pain, and the key's been drowned in the whiskey rain. Whiskey rain, whiskey rain, it's falling hard tonight. Whiskey rain burns like fire, cuts me deep inside. Yeah, every drop is thunder, every sip is pain. I drown my sorrows in the whiskey rain. Let it fall, let it take me away. No light, no tomorrow, just the dark to stay. If my soul should vanish, let the world remain, and write my story in the whiskey rain.